How to use time to create happiness. Effective methods and habits to avoid. Hello everyone, today's topic is how to use time to increase happiness. How much free time do you have each day? In our busy lives, it might feel like there's never enough time. However, studies show that having 2 to 5 hours of free time per day is the optimal amount to feel happy. If you have less than 2 hours of free time, stress can build up, leading to both physical and mental exhaustion. On the other hand, having more than 5 hours of free time can result in a lack of productivity and a sense of emptiness. Therefore, adjusting your free time to around 2 to 5 hours daily helps maintain a balanced sense of happiness. Make sure to secure this time for yourself and incorporate it into your daily routine. Next, let's talk about how we can spend our time to feel happier. The first key point is spending time with others. Research shows that we feel particularly happy when we spend time with close friends, family, or loved ones. For example, spending time with someone else is much more enjoyable and fulfilling than being alone. The second important point is going outside. How often do you go outside? Simply being in nature or taking a short walk can significantly lift your mood and increase your sense of well-being. In our daily lives, we tend to spend most of our time indoors, so it's essential to consciously make time to be outside. The third key point is having time to focus deeply. Have you ever been so absorbed in something that you lost track of time? In those moments, we often feel incredibly happy. It's important to create time to focus on something you're passionate about because it enriches your overall life experience. Now, let's look at the ways of spending time that can actually lower your happiness. First, we should avoid prolonged solitude. While some alone time is necessary, too much of it can lead to feelings of loneliness and anxiety, which can harm your well-being. The next point is not spending time on obligatory tasks. For example, tasks like work chores, caregiving, or commuting which you didn't choose but have to do can lead to stress and dissatisfaction. It's important to find ways to reduce the time spent on these tasks whenever possible. Finally, let's talk about reducing time spent on meaningless activities. Have you ever spent too much time on social media or playing games and regretted it afterward? We all have a natural desire to be productive, so spending time on activities that feel meaningless can cause frustration. By reducing these activities, you can spend more time on fulfilling experiences. Lastly, I want to talk about how we can make happy moments even happier. The key is to be aware of the limited time you have. Our lives are finite, and it's crucial to recognize the value of the happy moments we experience now. For example, the time we spend with family, conversations with friends, or moments when we are deeply engaged in something we love, these moments won't last forever. By being aware of this, we can appreciate and cherish these moments even more deeply. When we recognize the value of the time we have left, our daily joys become even more precious. So in conclusion, there are effective ways to use time to increase happiness and ways to avoid that decrease it. Securing enough free time and using it to connect with others, go outside, and focus on what you love can significantly boost your happiness. On the other hand, avoiding prolonged solitude, obligatory tasks, and meaningless activities can prevent a decrease in happiness. Finally, by being aware of the limited time we have, we can make our happy moments even more meaningful. I hope you'll start applying these ideas to your life today and experience more happiness in your daily routine. Thank you for your attention.